Hi, Unified Arts students. Happy Thursday, April 22nd. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is a little bit of free time for you to dive into some of our art activities that I introduced to you on Tuesday, a bit earlier in the week. So I've got them again attached down here. Your options range from touring and exploring the Google Arts and Culture page, which I definitely recommend that you go hit the Explore tab and really just meander through that site. It's such a cool website with really awesome um, technology. You feel like you're right in these spaces with some of the things you can check out. You can get like an inch from a painting with their zoom function, which is really cool to see the individual brushstrokes and to really appreciate all the different colors that are used in an artwork. So play with the zoom function, go explore. There's all sorts of really neat pieces that they've got available for you, and it's like one of the most vast collections that I could find online. So have fun with that. You could also dive into Lunch Doodles with Mo Willems, and that is a lot of fun, and I don't care how old you are. I do him too. He's a really interesting guy. He's super quirky, and he's a professional illustrator and author. So you get to see his studio, his workspace, and dive into his world. I mean, maybe that's something you could end up doing in the future too. So that's fun. Also, we've got the April 2020 freebie pack from Deep Space Sparkle with a lot of different at-home art project ideas that you could try with your family and friends. And frankly, all of these you could do with family and friends at home, whoever is around you. It's a lot of fun. So try some of those. Down here, I've also got attendance attached. So just take some time to dive into those things today. There's nothing that you need to turn in to me. None of that. Tomorrow, on Friday, you will have the opportunity to fill out that same Google form where you can upload any pictures you took from projects, different fun activities you've done at home that you want to share with the group. In addition to that, you get to select from a list of options to share what of the 3 activities you did, and I'll make sure that that Google form is updated correctly. I know last week I kind of flubbed on that one. Teaching distance learning is not easy for anybody, and frankly, I can't wait till we can all be back together. It's gonna be so nice. Well, long story short, today is a work day for you where you get to dive into these activities. Maybe you're going to do your art of play activity, and just be prepared to share what you did tomorrow in a Google form. I hope you guys are doing awesome. You're happy, healthy, and safe. I miss you, and I'll see you guys soon.